Thank you, Mom.
Yeah.
I'm a love. Dito pa ang aming
the jury in the above entitled matter as to count 3. Find the defendant guilty.
Happy New Year to the Philippines, to my kababayans out there, and to all na nakatapos na ng New Year. Si Papa. Hi, Papa.
Papa.
Ayan si Ana. Ayan si Reka. Kasi ito si Javi. Saan si Mami Christine? Then, ayun. Ayun yung si Sophie. I'm waiting.
4 minutes.
Hi, Mom.
Happy New Year!
I just heard something amazing. One medication is approved to treat.
So, kanina naglaro kami. Waiting siguro mga 1 hour. Abot hanggang 10. Then, kumaga sa 8 to 10. Parang 1 or 2 hours. Wait, ito yung sa amin. Kasi inyo kayong ano gusto nyo nakita. Why are we there, babe? Brian.
There's more packed than was last year.
I can't hear you.
There's more packed than was last year.
72 feet above the street. What a beautiful sight. More than 2,600 Waterford crystal
That's
triangles.
in Times Square?
The new
Kasi
panels on
Times
the ball
Square,
represent
tsaka
the
dito
gift
sa
of
Georgia.
wisdom.
Same R, right?
And
We
are
have the
at
same R in
11:59.
New York.
More than 32,000 LEDs that
there.
create 16
One more minute.
million colors and
Here we go.
9, 8, 7, 6,
the
5.
giant 2022 stands 7 feet tall. And we've got 50 more seconds left in this year until we turn the page.
May Christmas tree pa naman dito. Bukas, alisin na namin.
Grab someone you love.
21, 40.
Grab someone
Times
you
are
love.
up.
As we get ready to celebrate here in Times Square. Look at the clock. We are at 30 seconds. You can hear it here in Times Square. You can feel it here in Times Square. People are ready for 2022. We are 20 seconds out. 15. And let's get ready to count together.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Picture? 1, 2, 3.
It'll be New Year's. They will find that song.
Happy New Year, guys!
Here together.
Remember,
Maligong bagong taon!
New Year's with your mom and dad downtown Gainesville. Remember that?
Happy birthday to me!
To throw a big party, that is for sure.
Happy birthday to all January 1 babies.
Like it in the world. It is breathtaking this moment.
It's like, what is going on? Where's Sophie?
Celebration, smiles.
Where's Sophie girl?
Been through it.
Sophie girl.
Liza,
We're here.
take it away.
So may nag-propose.
Really? You're gonna cast
Saying
this
yes.
and that?
This one has brought me so much joy. This is like pure magic.
Nag-propose. So, ito ang sa amin. Walang dito. Pero, I don't know kung naririnig nyo sa taas. Meron doon sa taas. Nagpapabot ako. Ay! Ayun! Meron doon. Hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo. Hindi ko alam kung meron sa... Yay! There's something there. Mostly fireworks na noise. I don't know kung, meron banda ron.
Are you taking anything?
Meron daw banda ron. Hindi ko sure kung meron nun eh. Ito ako pupunta para kung meron mas sa likuran. I'm pretty sure naririnig nyo yung, meron pa doon. Nagliliwa-liwanag doon.
Tomorrow.
Good morning guys. So today is January 1, 2022 and it's my birthday! Sorry sa bakalan. So, right now it's currently 12:01 noon. And actually, we're just going out for lunch. Me, my husband, my mom, and my papa. So what I'm wearing right now, this is from Walmart. It's cute and comfy. And these pink pants that we bought in Cato. Yeah, Cato. Me and my mom. Like, I haven't got the chance to vlog it, but yeah, so, and Animal Crossing socks. Actually, bundled up with three packs or 3 pairs. So, what the shoes I'm going to wear? Actually, Animal Crossing gift yun sa akin ni husband. Sa aking stockings, Christmas stockings. So, ito ang isusuot ko from Saw. Nabili namin sa Kohl's. So, yung brand niya. So, I'm gonna prepare myself and going upstairs. So, we're here na. Oh, that's barbecue. Husband, papa, and mama. So, yeah, this is my outfit. And, ang cute lang. Floor is lava. Fake cash. Then my mom and my papa.
What's that? Is that green beans or is that asparagus?
So there's green beans, potato, rice, some side seasoning, and kimchi, biscuit. So, and yummy.
Huh?
That's yummy. Plain egg is here and pork. Spicy beef steak. No, biscuit. And then we're actually done with the pork belly. So I got that.
What are those things?
So hey guys, I wanna show you guys. Let us know, let us know, let us know. Wow, it's snowing. Today is Sunday. Forget the time or date. But it is snow. Oh my god, I hope it will last long. Oh, I miss the snow. It's been 2 years.
Oh, babe.
Yeah, it's been 2 years.
No.
Because last year it didn't snow. Last year. Let us know, let us know, let us know. I wish it will be like big earlier. So, hello guys! Good morning! Totoo na to. Kahapon kasi nag-live ako regarding this sa snow pa. Tapos maliit lang yung snow ng bits. As in bits lang talaga. Pero ngayon, nag-snow na dito sa Georgia. Ang cute! Grabe. Kasi, the last time that I see snow is like 2018 sa Illinois. Nang pupunta pa kami ng Illinois. Tapos ngayon, ito na siya. It's almost, try ko nagpaulan sa snow. Wow! Oh, cute! maka-experience ng snow dito sa Georgia. And yeah, di ko pa masabi kung kapareho siya nun sa Illinois, pero kasi ewan ko, ganda kasi nun sa Illinois eh, pero sana sana mabuo siya mamaya. Sabi nga ni Sis Aida, mag-Elsa siya. Ang kapal ng suot ko sa Illinois, pero dito naka-t-shirt. Ganito lang ako. Tapos, ayun, Samantha, nasa na si Samantha? Sabi nga niya. Pero, kakatuwa. Oh, guys, ito na siya. Oh, snowing. Totoo na to, guys. Gusto ko sana maglaro sa snowy, kaso dahil ganito lang yung suot ko, diba? Mamaya lalamigin na naman ako. Pero sige, mamaya lalabas kami. So magagamit ko na naman yung yung boots ko. Just kidding. Ingat sa lahat ng mga dito sa asip naman na mapapanood nyo to after na tapos na for sure yung snow. Sige, yun naman, guys. Kasi binuo kanina yung snowman, hindi siya nabuo ng maigi. Pero ayun na, makapal na siya. Hindi ko lang alam kung hanggang anong oras to. Pero ayun, yung pavement na yung mismo daanan namin ng parking. Nag-ano na siya. See that? But I don't know what's here, why not. But yeah, it's all green. Ganyan na siya pataas. Team. Ito, ayun na siya. Natakpan na ulit. It's the most wonderful time. Hi! Hi! Pwede ba yung snow dito sa tinakpan yung iPhone eh na. Hindi ko lang alam kasi kung pwede ba dito sa And the time machine. Naglaro mag-isa, no? I wish it will be big earlier so that it will be like...
Don't film me right now.
So that it will be like snowy. We can play at the snow. I like that. I miss snow. I wish it will be so big later. Like we could walk on the...
My back's killing me. I ain't gonna do anything.
Yeah, because your back's hurting.
Right. We're having one of these out of here.
So yeah, and then there's Animal Crossing Monopoly there. Just waiting for them to be played. And yeah, this is my egg. They're hash browns. Our hash browns. Bacon. And they're cooking their egg.
Somebody's here waiting.
This. What is this, babe?
Are you waiting there for
Hi,
somebody?
baby.
Are you waiting there for somebody?
Hi. I really love winter. Oh shucks, so pretty. See. I wish there will be like a big snow file here, like real thick, so that we could play with it. That's part of the snow. That's so cute. Let me try to catch. So nakakaramdam mga na pagpatak ng ulan. Hindi na siya yung tipong snow na katulad ng kanina na may kita niya. May konti siguro. Konti, pero hindi siya yung katulad ng kanina na super dami ng Pero sabi nila hanggang mamayang gabi daw ito, hanggang alas 8 eh. Pero, ayun nga, hindi naman ako pwedeng ano, kasi pag bumaksak ako dyan, sigurado upalto sa ulo ko. Pero ang cute nito, guys. O, diba? Ano natin? Sino gusto halo-halo? Yay! Yay! Diba? Buhay pa rin yung aking mahiwagang. Yan. Ganito lang suot ko, samantalang iba naka-coat sila, tapos natawag dito, may gloves, pero ako, ano lang, simple lang, hindi pa nga naka, ano yung bra ko eh. Pero, naka-bra ako, pero hindi siya alam mo na yan, tapos ayun lang yung lalim niya, pakita, ayun lang yung lalim, yung thickness niya, diba, hindi siya ganun kaano. So, ayun niya, parang dinapakan ko. Yun lang yung pinaka-unmarker niya. Hindi siya ganun ka-ano. Hindi siya ganun ka-lalim. Namimiss ko tuloy yung ano, yung panahon na nandito si Travis doon. Na, I mean, hindi, yung ano, yung part na nag-snow. Try natin laruin tayo. Nakakaramdam na ako ng lamig. Pero, carry naman. Lang. Kamali ako doon. Ayan. Woo! Ha! Naglaro sa yelo eh, no? Gusto kong kulitin si Ryan eh. Kasi ewan ko kung hanggang anong oras tatagal to pag pumasok ako sa loob. Sigurado malalamig kamay ko. Galang. Laruin natin na. Asarin ko si Ryan.
My wife. She's got a handful of snow. Don't hang over my computer like that with that thing.
1, 2, 3, go!
Stop! Damn it! Why the hell did you just stop? You get my headset all wet.
I love you so much.
Stop.
Di ba feel na feel kayo snow sa loob ng bahay? Char!